Hello students, welcome to Standard 10 Mathematics 2 digital class. Today we are going to start chapter 2, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Here, triangle PQR is right angled at Q. That is, in triangle PQR, measure of angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Now, here side PR is the hypotenuse. Therefore, length of PR square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. That is, length of remaining two sides are PQ and QR. Length of PQ square plus length of QR square. So this can be written as PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. And if we write the length of these sides, like the side opposite to vertex P is small p, side opposite to angle Q is Q, and side opposite to R is small r, then we can write Q square is equal to P square plus R square. Next is Pythagorean triplet. Triplet means a group of three numbers. In a triplet of natural numbers, if the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of squares of the remaining two numbers, then the triplet is called a Pythagorean triplet. So Pythagorean triplet means that in a triplet of natural numbers, square of the largest number, it should be equal to the sum of the squares of the other two numbers, remaining two numbers. For example, check whether the triplet 11, 60, 61. Check whether this is a Pythagorean triplet or not. Here, which is the largest number? 11, 60, 61. The largest number is 61. So, we will take the squares of these numbers. 61 square is equal to 61 into 61, that is 3721. 11 square is equal to 121. 60 square is equal to 60 into 60, that is 3600. And from this you can observe that 3721 is equal to 121 plus 3600. That is 61 square is equal to 11 square plus 60 square. That is, the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Therefore, 11, 60, 61 is a Pythagorean triplet. You have to write the statement also. Here, the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of other two numbers. Therefore, 11, 60, 61 is a Pythagorean triplet. And in a Pythagorean triplet, you can write the numbers in any order. Next is property of 30, 60, 90 triangle. if acute angles of a right angular triangle are 30 and 60 degree, then the side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. So here consider the right angular triangle LMN, right angled at M. Here one angle is right angle 90 degree, therefore, and the other acute angles, other two angles are acute angles, and if the other acute angles are of measures 30 degree and 60 degree, then the property says that the side opposite to 30 degree, which is the side opposite to 30 degree, side MN. So MN is equal to half of the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is side LN, that is the side opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse. So Mn is equal to half into hypotenuse is Ln, half of Ln, and the side opposite to 60 degree, that is Lm is equal to root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse, that is Ln. So this is the property of 30, 60, 90 triangle. That is, if acute angles of a right angle triangle, so one angle is right angle 90 degree, the other acute angles are 30 and 60 degree, then the side opposite to 30 degree. So here in this triangle, the side opposite to 30 degree is Mn. Mn is equal to half of the hypotenuse. That is 1 by 2 into hypotenuse is Ln. So Mn is equal to half of Ln, and Lm is equal to, Lm means it is the side opposite to 60 degree. Side opposite to 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse, that is Ln. Now here, if Ln is equal to 6 centimeter, find Mn and Lm. So for solving this, given Ln is equal to 6 centimeter, then what is Mn? Mn is equal to, it is the side opposite to 30 degree, that is 1 by 2 times the hypotenuse. 1 by 2 into Ln, hypotenuse is Ln, that is half into 6. Half into 6 is equal to 3. Therefore, Mn is equal to 3 and Lm is equal to, what is Lm? Root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse into Ln. That is root 3 by 2 into, again Ln is 6. Ln is equal to 6. So cancelling this 2 and 6, 3 is equal to 3 root 3. 3 root 3. So here we will write the property of 30, 60, 90 triangle. And here also same property of 30, 60, 90 triangle.